Alright, we just picked up this heavy old refrigerator from a dog kennel. Jeez, wonder why it don't work. Jeez, oh my day. Garage door opener, cool. Screws and aluminum, the rods. Ooh, look at that, copper and brass and a water heater. Cool. Oh boy. Let's load her up. What do you do when you have a hot water or water heater full of sediment? You're by yourself? Get creative. Alright, I'm not going to film this until it's in the truck. Got to be safe too. Whew. Yeah, lots of sediment. Big problem in Florida. I mean, there was a little bit of water in it. 90% more than 90% has been drained out. Whew. Work smarter, not harder. They always say liftgate would be perfect. Legal dumping. Whoops, we're out of focus. Legal dumping equals me a microwave. Cool. Ah, it's a neat looking chair. I think it's aluminum. Yeah. Oh. Steel and aluminum. Steel and cast. Cool. For sale. Old sheet. Some Steely. What else we got here? Oh. More aluminum and them. Try another piece of sheet. That's it. That truck ain't going nowhere anytime soon. That's cool. Old Ford. There's another one. Sweet. Two propane tanks. Oh yeah, not a problem. Little brass pole. I'm in love with the stripper. Silver Scorpion, scrapping Scorpion. This is what I was talking about last night. This comes out of a pool heater. It's all copper. Then the inside's brass. Lovely. Look what's here. Imagine that. Guess what? Those ain't my letters. Those aren't the ones. Mr. Scrapyard owner. Section now. Refrigerator. 280 pounds, 8 cents a pound for $22.40, which was $23. I just let it sit there. Everybody can see what's going on. And the final number was $27.68, was rounded up to 28 bucks. This was all off of one little house clean. I'm trying to keep from hoarding so much stuff underneath the carport. I want to have more room. I don't want to talk about having more room for 10 years. It's going to happen.